Hi everyone, it's Wayne. Welcome back. Got lens wipes for you today. If you wear glasses, you don't always have the spray with you or a good clean rag with you. So here's your moisture. Here's your cloth. And they've got quite a bit of moisture with them. I've had some other brands, a couple different ones. This has got as much moisture in it as the one I've previously liked the most. And it feels like it's got more than the second brand that I've had before. So anyway, wipes them up real nice, no streak, no mess, and I can see. Anyway, it was a great price on them, great deal. So go ahead and get them. $330 per pack, and that'll last you a long time. Almost a year, right? Use one a day. Thank you. Bye now.